Hi everyone, welcome to IFS Markets. I am Laura. Today is the 15th of June, and today I want to bring you to the economic event calendars. And so first of all, we'll go down, and in importance, I have selected high. What high means is that this particular data release will affect the market more. Going down, we can see very importantly, this data release will be released at 4 p.m. Sydney time. So if you're trading with pound today, you have to pay attention to that. Now, what is the claimant count change? That is, in the United Kingdom, it measures the change in the number of people claiming unemployment-related benefits. We can see the previous one, which is the one in April, and that's released in May, is negative 15.1K. And this time, they're forecast negative 62K. Reduce an unemployment-related benefits claim, meaning that the economy is picking up and unemployment rate is going down. Hence, the pounds will become stronger. And make sure you know that the pair we're talking about today is the pound USD, which means if pound is getting stronger, pound USD will be stronger as well. Now, let's look at the event chart so we know what's going on the last time. So we can see in May, the data release, the yellow outline is the forecast one, which is 25K, but the actual is actually negative 15.1K. Make sure you remember the numbers. And in price chart, again, we can see briefly on the how price have went after every data release. In the volatility, I want to show you 5 minutes afterwards. 5 minutes after the forecast release, that the price movement have went up about 10.2 pips, and after 30 minutes, it have went up to 18.8 pips. After an hour, it have went up to 19.2 pips. Now, I want to show you the impact. So these are provided by Trading Central, and this is 4 hours after event. We can see the price have went up straight afterwards and have continues to go up for the next 4 hours. We can see the entire uptrend is 38.8 pips. However, the entire range, the moving range, is 54.8 pips, which means if your entry point and exit point is amazing, then you can actually earn 54.8 pips in 4 hours with leverage, which is a lot. And if you're playing it safe, then you can still earn a 38.8 pips. Hope you liked today's video. Again, a reminder of that this news will be released 4 p.m. Sydney time. Make sure you pay attention to that. And this is more of a fundamental side of the pair. Please make sure that you check out the other video today, which is more on a technical side. Make sure that you have two combined together to help you trade successfully. And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a happy trading day. Bye.